afternoon and welcome to another 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dana Rice and today I would like to show you how to split corridor regions. This information was brought in from InfoWorks 360. This is the site in InfoWorks 360. You can see that I drew in a road as well as a bridge. The road is named Bulldogs Highway. There is a parking lot as well as a Revit 3D model of a high school. That information was brought in as an IMX file, and the objects that were created were an alignment, which I have named Bulldogs Highway, a tin surface, and a 3D model of the bridge. And what I've done with the alignment is that I've gone ahead and created a profile, which I've named Bulldogs Highway, and I've also created a design profile of the road, and I will be using that one for our corridor. I've created 3 assemblies, 2 of which I'll use today. Today I'll be using the 30-foot highway assembly as well as the bridge assembly. And what I'll be doing today is I'll be creating a corridor along the Bulldogs Highway alignment. That will be our main baseline, and I will be splitting that into 3 regions. We will have the before bridge region, the bridge region, and the after bridge region. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This corridor is using the Bulldogs Highway alignment as well as the Bulldogs Highway profile. Right now I'm going to assign 1 assembly, the 30-foot highway assembly. I will be splitting that here in a moment. Now you can see that I want to keep the set baseline and region parameters checked. It's very important because by doing so this dialog box pops up, and you can see that this corridor has 1 baseline, the Bulldogs Highway, created from the alignment, and this baseline contains 1 region, and that region is comprised of 1 assembly that spans the entirety of the baseline. You can tell that from the stationing here. And so we want to split this into 3. So with it highlighted, I'm going to right click and go to Split Regions, and you can see that that pops us into the model space. And you can see as I move the mouse around, this red pointer is a part of the command. So I'm going to select the endpoint of the beginning as well as the end of our 3D model bridge. And when that is done, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and this dialog box comes back up. And you can see that we now have 3 regions. To keep it simple, we can come in here and rename our regions. I'll name this one Before Bridge. I will name this one Bridge. And this one, of course, will be After Bridge. And the bridge region, after we highlight that, we need to come over here and change that assembly to our bridge assembly. So I'm going to hit OK, hit apply. It wants to rebuild the corridor. And there we go. We now have a corridor that has been split into 3 regions using 2 different assemblies. Well, thank you very much for spending a bit of your time with TPM and our 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dana Rice, and I hope this was very helpful to you. Thank you, and you have a great day.